Hello there, troopers. Today we're hiking Hoover Lake Loop Trail, and the parking is just at Dudney Trunk Road right here on the highway, and the gate is actually the start of the trailhead. This is the same trailhead going to the Hoover Viewpoint Trail that we did before. So if you want to watch that video, you go and search our video entitled Hoover Viewpoint Trail. So the difference between the hike today is the Hoover Lake Loop Trail is going to the going around the lake, and on that loop there are some viewpoints that you overlooking the Hoover Lake. So basing on the pictures that I saw, it is actually awesome. So so excited to show you guys. See you guys in a bit. All right, troopers, we have a new trooper today, Tyrone. All right. Tyrone here is actually a hunter.
Hello.
A trooper hunter. So maybe next time watch our videos, our hunting videos.
Yep.
Coming up.
Stay tuned.
Place must be hell. No more cookies in this jar. Did I take it too far? Now I dwell.
Hello there, troopers. We have a couple of new troopers today. This is Elaine.
Hi.
And this is Marcia.
Hi.
All right, so
Seniors can hike.
all right. Love to have them today.
I was getting lost in the quicksand. Pink clouds eating their way into my head. On and on until I'm bled. Superstitious, kind of vicious. Oh, knock, knock.
Hello there, troopers. So after 3 kilometers of going to the FSR, you go into a split trail. One goes straight to the FSR, going to the viewpoint, and one going down to Hoover Lake. And we go to the loop. This is the sign up there. And again, from the parking lot up to here is around 3 kilometers.
Deep, deep down on the bottom of the well.
So we are now in the woods going down to the lake. We have done this route before, but we were not able to complete the loop because of time. We didn't have enough time to do that time. So today we will be able to, and I'll be able to show you the complete loop of Hoover Lake. In few steps away, we are at Hoover Lake, you guys. Oh wow, it's beautiful here. So we just came out of the woods on the loop on the lake. You come out into an FSR, as you can see here. Come out to an FSR, and then you turn left, going to a viewpoint, going that way. In a few steps away, we are at the lookout of Hoover Lake Loop Trail. It is awesome, you guys. I recommend this hike. It's just moderate, but guys, the view is amazing. So we are at one of the peekaboo lookouts here, you guys. It's beautiful, overlooking Stave Lake right here. From the lookout of Hoover Lake Loop Trail, troopers out!